Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the best way to install and use Telegram on your TCL Smart TV. While Telegram is not officially available as a native app for most smart TVs, there are easy workarounds to get it running smoothly. If your TCL runs an Android TV or Google TV, head to the Google Play Store on your TV. Search for Telegram and install it apps just like you would on your phone. Once installed, open Telegram, log in with your phone number, and you are ready to go chat with channels or join groups right from your TV. If your TCL runs on Roku TV or another OS without a native Telegram support, you can use a screen mirror from your smartphone or tablet. Simply enable screen mirroring on your TCL TV. Look for options like cast, screen mirroring, or wireless display. Then open Telegram on your phone and mirror the screen to your TV. Another option is use the third-party Android box or streaming device that supports Telegram apps connected to your TCL TV via HDMI. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to get Telegram on your TCL Smart TV, please like the video, leave your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.